What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this 16-piece knife set by Deik. This is a really nice stainless steel knife set. It says that it's a restaurant-style kitchen knife set. You've got the 8-inch chef knife, the 8-inch carving knife, a 6-inch boning knife, a 5.5-inch meat fork. You've got the 5-inch santoku knife, the 5.5-inch tomato knife. Looks like a 4.5-inch steak knife. You actually get 6 of these, and then a 3-inch paring knife, and then 8-inch shears. And it also comes with an 8-inch sharpener, so you can keep everything nice and sharp. It does come pretty sharp right out of the box, and we'll be testing that here a little bit later. So yeah, that's pretty much, this is everything on the box here. It's just a general, this is pretty much what you get from Amazon. Let's go ahead and open it up, and let's check the packaging out. Let's see exactly what's inside here and what you can expect. Looks like the knives come in their own box here, and then the knife block comes in its own box as well, and that's pretty much all that's inside. So this is actually pretty heavy. It makes me think that it's a lot higher quality than I was expecting. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. And this knife set is actually going to replace the one in the background here. Most of my appliances are black, so I thought this would fit better in the kitchen. So let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, this is really heavy. So this is nice. Okay, I really like this. And that's pretty much all that comes in this box. It's just the block. As you can see, it's just a standard block set. Like I said, it feels really high quality. Checking everything out, it is made out of wood. The paint is really nice on it. It's got a really nice finish. It does have the brand name right here on the front, Deik. Let's see, we'll go ahead and open up some of the knives. Let's see how they're packaged here. Oh, okay, so you just open the end up like that, and we should be able to slide everything out. Let's see. Yeah, here it comes. Okay, so obviously if you get these for yourself, just be careful. They are knives. They do come sharp right out of the box, so just be careful with that. It comes with a small instruction manual here. I recommend reviewing this whenever, if you purchase it on your own, just for safety reasons. Looks like it also has a limited lifetime warranty, so you can check out all the warranty information with a card that comes included. We'll set this out of the way for now, and let's actually check out all the knives here. Alright, so first thing we have are the scissors. I'll be keeping this out of the way as we go. So these are pretty nice scissors. They've got a smooth cut. They feel like they're pretty good quality. Those just go right here. Let's see, make sure to get everything in there nice. Alright, let's check out this one. Alright, so this is how they come packaged. They come with this little tip here, so that way you don't poke yourself. So that's pretty nice. Let's see, I'm not sure exactly where they all go in the block yet. It doesn't look like the knives are labeled. So we'll figure out exactly what these are. I think this is a steak knife. Yeah, it looks like this must be one of the steak knives because this one's exactly the same. So let's open this one up. So as you can see, it is all one piece, which is nice. Yeah, it's actually really nice, all one piece. I like the handle on them. They've got a nice grip. Let's go ahead and just take these tips off for now. We'll put these in the block. And the thing about it is you can actually put them in the block this way, the way they're intended to go, but you can even turn them upside down this way. So that way every time you take them out, this sharp edge isn't dulling itself right here on the wooden block. So if you put them in upside down, just be careful, but it won't cut your block, and it won't actually dull the blade. So in this case, I'm going to be putting mine this way. Let's go ahead and try to find all of the steak knives. So here's another. We'll take all these off. I'll do a little time lapse here so you guys don't have to watch all of this. Alright, so that's all the steak knives. Let's go ahead and go through the rest of everything here. So we've got the fork. Let's see. I guess I'm going to check the box to see if it'll show us where they go. So this is how everything is supposed to look. So it looks like the knives and everything kind of ascend to the back. So we want to make sure that we get everything in the right spot here. We'll move them around as we go, but we'll make sure that we get this set up correctly. Let's check out the next one. Here we've got the tomato knife. Another really high quality. The handles are pretty much the same on all of them, and as you can see, the blade is actually built into the handle. So it's all one piece, really, really nice. Let's see, does this one go here? That looks okay for now. We'll keep going. Alright, so this is the little paring knife. Again, really high quality. I'll put this one here for now. Let's go on to the next one. So this is the 5-inch Santoku knife. Again, really high quality. Let's see, so it doesn't go there, it must go... Okay, that looks good. Alright, so now we've got the 6-inch boning knife. Again, high quality. Let me move all these out of the way here. Yep, 6-inch boning knife. I think it goes here. It's looking good so far. Okay, let's move on. This is the knife sharpener. It's actually a really heavy duty knife sharpener too, so you can use this to keep everything nice and sharp throughout the years. It's really cool that it comes with this one. My old my wooden knife block back there in the background, that one doesn't have a knife sharpener, so I'm glad to have this. And there's a little hole right here for it, so it just slides right down in there just like that. So we've got 2 left. Let's check this one out. Oh, I like this one. This is the 8-inch carving knife. So this is definitely one of the biggest ones that come included, so it must go back here just like that. And then this one, finally. And last but not least, we have our chef knife. So this is another 8-inch chef knife. And it just goes, oh, let me take that tip off right there. And it just goes right in here just like that. So yeah, that looks like everything's lined up correctly. So this is, once you get it, you take everything out of the box. Just go ahead and, like I said, you can do the steak knives this way, the way that they're intended, or the reason I flip them around is I just don't like it rubbing right there. So I always flip them this way. And that's just a little tip. Like I said, be careful with that. But yeah, this is how it looks now. Everything where it is out of the box, and all together this is really heavy. So this is high quality material. I really like the design. I really like the way it looks. I think it's going to look great with everything in the background. And we will also go ahead and let's actually test out some of these knives here. So I've got a cutting board. We'll get that ready, and we'll see how they go just right out of the box. So let's give that a try. Alright, so I found an apple and a cucumber we can use to test some of these knives out with. So we'll just start from the back and we'll go with this biggest one here. This is right out of the box. So, alright, well, right off the bat, that cuts really well. Yeah, it cuts right through it. These come really sharp right out of the box, so be careful. So this is the chef knife. It's obviously really, really sharp, high quality, very, very sharp, so be careful with that. Another thing is, once you use them, obviously don't just put them right back in the block. You're going to want to clean these off first. A good thing about stainless steel, to keep them, to make sure they last really long, is just once you're done with them, clean them off, dry them off, make sure they're dry before you put them back in the block, and they'll last for years to come. So just take good care of them and they will last. I'm going to set this one out of the way, and then we'll move on to the next. Alright, so next we'll be testing out the Santoku knife. We'll just cut right through there. Wow, so this knife is really sharp also. It cuts through here like butter. Let's test it on the apple. Even on the apple, yeah, the apple cuts smooth. This is really sharp as well. I'll be setting these out of the way as we go through. Let's see, what's the next one? So this is just a fork. Everybody knows how a fork works, but this is a nice fork. So yeah, it's cool that it comes with one. This is good for steaks and pretty much any type of food. So we'll keep these all out of the way over here. Alright, and then next we have the tomato knife. It just kind of looks a little similar to a bread knife, and it's really not designed for cutting through apples, but let's test it anyways. Well, it cuts right through it, so I mean you can obviously use it for apples, but it is a tomato knife. Cuts really well. We'll keep that over here. Alright, so this is where we really we don't need to test this out. This is just a knife sharpener, so keep that in there. Some scissors. Everybody knows how scissors work. No need to really test them. And then the next one we have here, let's go ahead and test out the carving knife. So this is one of my favorite knives that come with the kit. So let's actually test it on the cucumber. Cuts right through. Really, really easy. Really smooth. Let's test it on the apple. Cuts right through the apple as well. So another great knife. Alright, and then the next one we have here is the boning knife. We'll go ahead and test this one. Cuts right through the apple. And don't worry, I'm not wasting this food. I'm going to be eating this after this video is over. We'll test the cucumber. Alright, so finally, last but not least, let's go ahead, and this is just the little paring knife. So this is perfect for apples. So if you want to peel your apple, perfect for that. You could use it for that. You can also peel your cucumbers with a paring knife. Peels really, really well. So, yeah, that's pretty much all of it. These are the steak knives. We can test these also really quickly. Okay, they're actually really sharp, so be careful with these. It cuts right through. Let's test it on the apple as well. So yeah, all of them, like I said, it's a standard knife block set. I really like it. I think it's going to look great in my kitchen. All the knives come really high quality. Like I said, they're one piece. The blade is built into the actual handle. The handles are really smooth. I like the design. It gives you something, you know, easy to hold on to. You get a nice grip with these. But yeah, all in all, I really, really like this knife block set. Like I said, it's a restaurant style quality knife set. Right out of the box, everything's ready to go. It's by the company Deik, and I'd highly recommend it. I will leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check out, you know, this exact model here. You can read all the reviews and everything that's available on Amazon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys liked this review. If so, please feel free to smash that like and subscribe button. We've got a lot more reviews coming up, so be sure to stay tuned. And until next time, my friends, take it easy.